So if you find this difficult, I hope this video helps you find whatever you need to return your package to Fashion Nova.
Back body good for the go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down, go down, go down, down, go down.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Bell. For today's video, I guess you already know from the title below, I'm going to be walking you through how to return your package back to Fashion Nova. Yes, I feel like this is something that I struggle on. I had a package that I needed to return back to Fashion Nova, but then I couldn't get the proper answer on YouTube. So I thought it was to make this video for you guys to find it so easy and the faster way to return your package. So I'm just going to walk through this. I'm going to be looking at my phone, so I'm going to walk through this with you guys through the process on how to return your package back to Fashion Nova. So guys, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. Like returning on Fashion Nova, you can use two different ways. Like one, you can use the app that you actually purchase on, and another way you can use the website. You can just go on your phone. You can use Safari and get right into the app. But when I was trying to return, I kept using the app on my phone and I couldn't go through it. Yes, so what I'm gonna do, I just go on my phone, I use Safari, and then I went to the search, I put Fashion Nova return policy. Like you can see it over here, Fashion Nova return policy. I click on there, and then they're gonna ask you our return policies in process. The first one right up here, I'm gonna hit it, and then they can ask you start to return. I click start to return, and then they also ask you for your order number and your email. So I have my order number. I'm gonna put my order number in and put my email. So I put my email in and they brought me over here. Like these are the items that I purchased. Yes, these are the items I purchased. So then when it comes to you returning to the return policy link or whatever, all of the package are not eligible to be refund. Yeah, this is the problem. I'll be like, why it is not eligible? There are only some products or some clothes or items that you purchase going to be eligible to return. Like that don't make sense, guys. What do I have to do with eligible or not eligible? Yeah, so like example, I have all of the items over here, the clothes that I bought and what I want to return. So I'm just going to click what I want you guys to see. Like you see for this outfit, it says not eligible to return. Like this one, it says not eligible to return, but all of the following ones are eligible to return. So I'm just going to click anyone so you guys can see the process. I'm not actually returning any clothes over here, but I just want you guys to see how it works. So I click it, and then they will ask you a question, say what do you want to return this item, and they have so many different options that you can choose, like arrive late, item is not expected, or damaged, or whatever. But one thing you guys have to know, that if you are returning a purchase or the items back to Fashion Nova, it should have no stain, form of makeup, no deodorant. You shouldn't try it on. It shouldn't have any smell. Yeah, you shouldn't wash it. I'm just going to say item not as expected. So I'm gonna click on it, and then they ask another one. They said, can you tell us more? Yes, I can tell you more, of course. And they said too big, too small, too short, or too long. I'm gonna take too big. Alright, I click on too big, and they're going to ask you to write additional comments. It's an option for you to write additional comments, or you can leave it just how it is. So I left it just how it is, and then I'm gonna press done. After I click on done, so returning the package, you have two options. One option is you can drop it off at USPS and no print needed, and the fee is $3.99. And the second one is ship it yourself, print your own label, which is free. And again, I'm going to choose USPS because I don't want to go and print my own label. But if you don't do that, that's fine. So I will just use it as an example to print the USPS. So I click it, and then they give me location for the nearby location post office that is near me. So they give me so much option, and I think this location is right next to me, so I'm gonna click it. After I click this location, and guys, one thing I want you guys to know, that when it comes to returning this package, there's the reason why many people don't like to return package back to Fashion Nova, because it's expensive. Like when you buy the package, you have to pay for shipping. It's so expensive. So that's the reason why people don't like to go through the shipping method. Like when you find your clothes is small or big for you, you have to find your friends to buy it from you, or you have to give it out. Like all of my friends that I talk to are calling, oh, have you bought from Fashion Nova? And when they say yes, have you do a return policy? And they will say no, I think it was big or it was small, I have to give it to my friends. Because like it's so crazy. When you buy a clothes for $20, you have to pay a whole lot of money for shipping back to them. That's just so crazy. That's why I love Shein. Shipping back to Shein is free shipping. It's absolutely free. No fees is attached to returning the package. But not with Fashion Nova. You have to pay extra to ship it back to them. So yeah, so and they brought me over here. This the final part, which is I have to put my card in, my card number, and yes, submit it. But I will say I'm not doing this for me. I have already did that before, and I was just walking you guys through this so you guys can see how it works. So if you find this difficult, I hope this video helps you find whatever you need to return your package to Fashion Nova. Yeah, so this is how it works so easily. I hope this video is helpful for you guys on how to return your package. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video if it is helpful for you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Back body, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down.